So before we proceed with the tribal problems in this chapter, let's look at a very important concept called the nature-man-spirit complex. Professor P Vidyarthi, in his book The Malir, Nature-Man-Spirit Complex in a Hill Tribe of Bihar, which was published in 1963, developed a methodological framework to study the complex phenomenon of nature, man and spirit. This is in the life of the tribes that were residing in the Rajmahal hills of present-day Jharkhand called the Saurya Pahariyas. The Saurya Pahariyas are also called as the Malir. Professor Vidyarthi, in the course of his several visits to the Malirs, has observed that their lives were revolving around this phenomenon of nature, man and spirit complex. So let's see what this phenomenon is. According to Vidyarthi, a complex arising out of man's close interaction with and dependence on the nature in his belief in the supernatural and the spirit world is the nature-man-spirit complex. The three components of the complex are nature, man and spirit. Nature refers to the environment, man refers to the society and spirit refers to the religious realm. The nature-man-spirit complex is the intimate relationship that exists between the society, the religion and the ecology. This relationship is not unique just to the Malirs, please remember, but all the tribal societies. Professor Vidyarthi's study of the Malir signaled a very interesting departure from the established traditions of writing anthropological monographs in India. The concept of nature-man-spirit complex arose from his efforts to present the anthropological data that he collected in a meaningful way. He wanted to depict the soul of the tribal culture instead of the normal and the usual bones that is depicted in many other conventional monographs. This added a new dimension to the cultural ecological studies in Indian anthropology. This intimate relationship between the three, nature, man and spirit, conditions the tribal way of social life and practices. A mutual relationship between the three and the adjustments amongst them result in smooth living of the tribal lives. Both economic necessity and socio-psychological protection have directed man to keep the closest possible liaison with the forces of nature and the supernature. Hence, man is submissive to and is sometimes dominated by the tangible and the non-tangible forces of natural and the supernatural world. This video was a short segment of my full lecture on this topic from my online course. To know more about the course and continue learning, please visit the link in the description box below or www.kartic.guru. That's kartic.guru. Thank you for viewing this video and I wish you all the very best.